Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be making some DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Come on with me, guys. All right, so we have this beautiful little like birdhouse type wood. It's a nice thickness too. Then we have the bee, and I'm loving this one because it has raised wood. Then we have one of these panels that come in a 6-pack, I think, at the Crafter Square Dollar Tree. Then we have the little ornament bee, so I like using that too, and this wood flower. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a coat of paint. I'm not sure which paint we're gonna use, but let's see. So this video is a part of a collaboration called What Would You Make? And the host of this collab is Rustic and Lace DIY and Divine Design. They also have a guest host this month, and it is Okay at Home DIY. So as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. All right, so what I decided to do here, guys, is paint everything in that blue color. I'm absolutely loving the powder blue. I just wish I would have some gold, so I could have put some touches of gold on these DIYs, but otherwise you are going to love them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be in and out of the video. Now I did decide to paint the bees in white because I wasn't sure which direction I'm going to go with this. So we're going to just go ahead and do white, and then I'll decide after. So the bigger of the two bees has raised wood, so I'm coloring the raised wood in the blue. Now with the smaller bee, I decided to go ahead and do half of the bee in blue and the other half leave it in white. Not sure where I'm going with this either, but I know it's gonna come out amazing. So now, like I always say in my videos, you can never go wrong with making bows in all multiple sizes. I just happened to find this unraveled buffalo check ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to go ahead and make some bows because we're going to put bows on everything. So now it's time to glue everything together. So I'll see you as we get closer to the reveal. So these pieces came out absolutely amazing. Let's head on over to the reveal. So these came out absolutely beautiful, and I had an amazing time making these crafts for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating them for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.